Installation only requires a Phillips head screwdriver. However, if you do have a cordless drill with a Phillips head attachment piece, I recommend you get this to speed up the process. Your device comes with three parts: the latch piece, the main part, and galvanized self-tapping screws, which will be supplied with your device. Firstly, take the latch part and place it on the top lip of your bin, making sure to center it from left to right. There, looks okay. Now, take a self-tapping screw and fix it down into the bin. Ensure not to over tighten. Just as it starts to grip, that's it. Now, fix another screw into the other hole. I recommend you tighten with the Phillips head screwdriver to ensure you do not over tighten and strip the thread. Most bin lids have movement from left to right and from front to back. You need to center the left to right movement and pull the bin lid towards the latch as far as you can, just like that. Take the main part and hold out the arm piece and place the main part over the top of the latch. Let the arm piece go. Now, hold the main part and push it back towards the latch as far as you can. Take a self-tapping screw and fix it to the center of the elongated hole. Again, do not over tighten. Repeat with the other two holes. If you find the main part is catching on the latch piece, all you need to do is loosen off the three screws holding the main part down, move it back or forward to the position that you need to, and retighten the screws. And you're done.